yeah, guys, first ride with the Blackworks Full Exhaust on here, you know. Woo! Also, first ride with the more Mafia Flash. And I need gas, just like that. Touchy dutchy. Yo, if the damn gas light wasn't blinking at you, and this damn more Mafia tune, or Flash, I'm sorry, rather, is so smooth. Lippy, touchy throttle, like I said, it's so much better. So that gives you one reason for even you wheelie boys out there, if that's your thing, in my not so expert opinion. Yep, there. I know. If I go any further than that, it's going to be even worse. So I guess I just got to go back to the original spot and go from there. And see if I can fit the boot in there like that. I suppose. You know, I suppose. It's just going to have to be the way that I'm going to have to do it, I guess. I'm surprised this thing isn't at 200 degrees yet, too. Even with going this speed it is, I mean, I feel the fan pulling the, oh yeah, 195 is when it cuts on now, I forgot. So at like 194 is about basically where it'll stay at, and it's kind of where it's fluctuating right about that same height, I mean that same temperature, and not really coming up anymore. So, I likes, definitely still feels hot as fuck at my legs, but I like that B mode just gives it, you know, the chop. And it's not much past that, so that's nice. Good morning, Brembo.